Hi, my name's Terry, my call sign Golf 4 Papa Oscar Papa, and this tutorial's about SOTA and other awards in Log4OM version 2. There are two aspects to the SOTA awards, and any other award to come to that. One is if you, the user, are the activator and you need to have your summit or island or whatever activation reference added to the QSO, and the other section is when you're working an activator as a chaser and you want to record that person's reference. And of course there's also the third option where you're working as a summit to summit or island to island, and you need both your activation reference and the other station's activation reference. So let's show you how to set this up. First, go to Settings, Program Configuration, and Station Information. We'll assume that you're going to be working portable because you're out in the field on the top of a mountain somewhere. So the stroke P is necessary as the station call sign. Then go to My References, and we've already got, as you can see, a SOTA reference in there, which is Deckling Hill in the southeast of England. But supposing I don't want to do that one today, I want to pick another one in the southeast of England, and I'll pick 15, Cheriton Hill. I'll click the green button, add that to the list. There's your SE 015, it's got a check mark, but that's going to be recorded. You're also going to record your OTA reference. My one in this case is 005 because I live in England, and my worked All Britain Square is TQ99 for this particular reference. So we're all happy now that this is my references, the reference that I will give to the other person and the reference I want recorded on the QSO as where I was actually located when I worked portable. Having sorted this out, we click Save and Apply, and that is the last thing you need to do with the references for the user situation from your point of view as an operator. Now supposing we type in a call, we're working somebody up, we're up on a summit, working this guy, and he is, shall we say, on the island of Guernsey or Sark or wherever. Type in his call sign, and there's stroke P as well, strangely enough, and eventually you see up comes his biological thing, Guernsey, and we'll go now to the awards references. We'll select the award for this guy, which we want to SOTA, and he happens to be on Sark, the island of Sark, which is in the bailiwick of Guernsey. We add that one. Now of course he's on an island, so we go to IOTA and we pick the island group 14, the Guernsey group, and we click that one. He may also be working a worldwide wildlife, flora and fauna, and he's working on 30, which is also on Sark. So that's his reference, 0030, which is the flora and fauna reference. We add that one. So all of a sudden you've got the guy's 3 award references. You will automatically get any DXCC reference, of course, for the island of Guernsey or Sark, because that's a standard additive format. So then we'll save that QSO to our logbook. We finished working him, we gave him a nice report of whatever, this guy was on FT8 presumably, whatever. Add the QSO to the logbook. If you look at the logbook, you will see there's your QSO we just had with the guy in Guernsey on the island of Sark, and there's his QTH. Your call sign was G4POP stroke P, as his call sign was GU4YOX stroke P. His contact references was a worldwide flora and fauna reference, the IOTA reference, and his SOTA reference. Your references recorded were SOTA reference 15, so on. So the whole thing is recorded as a summit to summit contact. If you go to the award statistics and you look at SOTA, second to come up, there it is, and you'll find somewhere on there, find that you've worked this particular guy. What's the GU, isn't it? GU, there he is, look. Oh, sorry, hit the wrong button. Somewhere in Belgium, Guernsey, you worked here on 30 metres, all is well. And you can check him as a summit to summit or whatever. And there's your award statistics of how many SOTA references you've worked and so on. So that's the basics of working a SOTA station. After you've finished the event, of course, you do need to go back to the settings, program configuration. But you need to remove the stroke P from the call sign. You need to go to my reference and you need to uncheck the SOTA reference because you're not there anymore. You come home, still in England, and the WAB square still applies. You then click save and apply, and the next QSO you have will be recorded with your normal operating situation from home, your normal QTH, normal call sign, etc, etc. Now there is another situation where if in the cluster, in the notes field, is recorded on the spot coming in a SOTA reference, and you click on the spot and this guy happens to be on top of a mountain somewhere and the SOTA reference is in the notes field, it will automatically be put into the award box here as a SOTA reference. The program intelligently knows that you're working someone who's on a summit. There is one other factor, of course, with SOTA, that when you're working one of these, you add it to the list here. If you click on the underlined, highlighted name of the summit, it will automatically open the summits map and home you straight in to the map. Quite a nice feature. Well, I hope that explained to some degree the simplicity of operating SOTA and other awards with Log4OM. I will do a further one of these SOTA and other awards tutorials in the near future, explaining how to upload and download your results, your QSOs, to and from SOTA and other allied awards. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. 73.